the many times and just the effort she had put into trying.
Monthly test for the following counties or areas. Minnesota at 10:38 p.m. on October 5th, 2022. 11:38 p.m. This is a coordinated emergency alert system. Test for the following counties. This is only a test. 10:38. Restore. Prevent. With the local broadcasters. Until. This is a coordinated test of the emergency.
It's your time.
Test is from the Bureau of Criminal Apprehension.
More support to live with ALS.
The fleet.
A civil authority has issued required monthly test for the following counties or areas. Minnesota, at 10:38 p.m. on October 5th, 2022, effective until 11:38 p.m. This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system in cooperation with the local broadcasters. This is only a test. This test is from the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension.
Okay, that was pretty good. Next is yeah. Next is Wisconsin, if I don't miss it.
Civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas. Minnesota, at 10:38 p.m. on October 5th, 2022, effective until 11:38 p.m. This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system in cooperation with the local broadcasters. This is only a test. This test is from the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension. A civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas. Minnesota, at 10:38 p.m. on October 5th, 2022, effective until 11:38 p.m. This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system in cooperation with the local broadcasters. This is only a test. This test is from the Minnesota Bureau of Criminal Apprehension.
This is a test message from the emergency alert system originating from the State of Wisconsin Emergency Operations Center. If this had been an actual emergency, you would have been given official information, news, or instructions. This test is now concluded.
Oh, that was pretty good. That was good. This is when Kirk the monthlies for the date of October 3rd through the 3rd through 4th. Morning of, like, no, yeah, the food now. Yeah.